Noting papers allow the DSB to raise issues for informal consultation, distinct from the formal consultation process via decision proposals. This is a summary of Noting Paper 346. Noting Paper 346, NP 346, supports the Data Standards Chair's intention to refine the Data Standards Body, DSB, change management process. The Chair proposes consultation on a standards assessment framework which will formalise and document the justification for change proposals, outcomes of research and consultation on proposed standards, the Chair's decision-making. For each proposed change, the framework will take into account the balance between government priorities, CDR core objectives, and stakeholder consultation. The draft framework proposes 4 stages in assessing change. Stage 1, rationale. Stage 2, implementation feasibility. Stage 3, net benefit. Stage 4, decision. The framework applies to new changes and considers how drivers of change, government priorities, CDR objectives, and community input contribute to a change proposal and subsequent decision. The DSB will conduct 2 in-person workshops to seek input on the Standards Assessment Framework. The workshops seek community advice on what questions organisations want the DSB to ask about a given change or proposal, data, measures and criteria that could be used to inform its assessment, mechanisms to evaluate a proposal later if it does not proceed following initial assessment, views on the stakeholders and forms of engagement best placed to provide input to any assessment of changes. Workshops will take place in Sydney and Melbourne. Sydney Workshop, 6th May 2024, venue Data 61, Level 4, 13 Garden Street, Everley, New South Wales, time 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Melbourne Workshop, 14th May 2024, venue ACCC Offices, Level 17, 2 Lonsdale Street, Melbourne, Victoria, time 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Workshop space is limited. To reserve your place, refer to the invitation links in the video description. NP 346 proposes a standards assessment framework for community consultation on change proposals and visibility of the assessment and decision-making process. Upcoming workshops will seek input on the proposed framework. If you have an interest in these topics, read NP 346 for full details. Thank you for participating in the Consumer Data Standards.